To visualize the results of thickness measurements of the object, we use a C-scan diagram, which is essentially a color map of surface thicknesses. The PE4332 pulse eddy current flaw detector can plot a C-scan in two different ways. The first option is to take measurements on a grid. We can draw a grid on the pipe with a piece of chalk or, which is much easier, we can use a ready-made grid on a self-adhesive film. Then, let's set the parameters of the grid cells and the color palette in the device settings, and take measurements by positioning the sensor in the nodes one by one. The sensor has a display that shows the current coordinate and the measured thickness, and control buttons, so the C-scan is plotted quickly. For measuring long pipe sections when the cable length is not enough, the device can be carried around using a harness, which is included in the delivery. The second option of plotting the C-scan is useful when the required grid is unavailable and you don't have time or possibility to chalk it. A special wheel can be attached to the sensor. Using this wheel, you can carry out the test with lines. The wheel encoder measures the horizontal coordinate of the sensor, and the operator takes measurements at equal intervals. With both options, we'll get the same color scheme of the pipe section, and the boundaries of the thickness difference are clearly visible on the plotted C-scans. The red zone with a wall thickness of less than 5 mm is most remarkable. The plotted C-scans are saved in system memory and can be downloaded to the PC later in both graphical and tabular forms. You can also generate a report on the test results in the customized application EM Viewer.